Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Ergonomic Problem Solving Series. I'm Jeff here, and I want to go over one of our custom end effectors that we have. We had a customer call in and they had an issue where they were picking up a 50-pound part in and out of a machine. So we wanted to be able to give them the rotation and the alignment, as well as being able to lock that in place. So every 90 degrees you can lock that into place, with the ability to open and close to index the part. So when you grip the part, we're actually going to grab it and align it right here with these holes in the gripper. We also coated them with a corrosion resistant coating, so that way when they dunk it in and out of their wash station, it doesn't mess it up over time. Also, we gave them the ability to flip it on that axis so that they can wash the bottom of the part and then flip it back, put it into the machine. Definitely looking forward to solving your problems this week. Give us a call, 1-800-837-2503.